Hello students, this is our second class on chapter 5, that is our nervous system. Today we are going to study about sense organs. There are 5 sense organs present in our body. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These 5 sense organs help human body to connect with the outer world. Students, these 5 sense organs help us in different activities. First one is eyes. Eyes help us to see things. It helps us in vision. Second one is ears. Ears help us to hear different sounds. Nose help us in smelling. The fourth sense organ, that is the tongue, it helps us to identify different kinds of taste. Last one is skin. Skin is the largest organ present in our body. It helps to feel different types of things, that is rough, smooth, hot or cold things. So skin helps us in sensation. It senses different things. So students, these 5 sense organs help us in different ways and they connect us with the outer world. Today we are going to study about the eyes. Eyes, this is a picture of an eye, human eye. Eyes help us to see. This is the visual organ of our body. We can see different things, all the object around us with the help of our eyes. Students, these eyes are present in the bony sockets present in the skull of our skull. Understood? They are protected inside the bony sockets of the skull. Eyes are protected by the eyebrows and eyelashes. Our eyelids have eyelashes which prevent dust and dirt from entering into the eyes. So they protect our eyes. Students, this is the structure of an eye. There are different parts in the eye. In the front of our eye, there is a transparent covering which is known as cornea. Got it? The colored part you can see here. The colored part present in the eyes are known as iris. The colored parts are known as iris. There is a small opening. There is a small opening through which light can pass to this lens. Light can fall to this lens. That small opening is known as pupil. Here, this is known as pupil, through which light falls on the lens. Students, this is the lens present in the eye, which help us in vision. Students, this lens help to bend the light rays, and in the retina, this is the retina part. In the retina, images are formed. Understood? Here nerves are present. All of you know that in the whole body, nerves are present in a network-like system. In our sense organs also, nerves are present. The nerves present in eyes are known as optic nerves. These optic nerves are connected with our brain. And when the image is formed in the retina, understood? Then the optic nerve connects the eyes with the brain. Means it takes the information to the brain. These nerves take information to the brain and our brain help us in identifying the objects whose image is formed in the retina. So children, this is the structure of our eye and the function of our eye. It is very important for us to take good care of our eyes. This is one of the most important sense organ present in human body. Let us see some steps how to take care of our eyes. Students, we should always wash our eyes regularly with clean water. First point. Second point is we should not read any book or any magazine, any newspaper in dim light. Understood? Or in any moving vehicle. When you are in a moving vehicle, don't try to read any book. Also, don't use mobile phone. Don't read or don't do any text in mobile phones while you are in a moving vehicle. It can also affect your eyes. The third point is that we should always keep our books 25 centimeter away, this distance from our eyes. Understood? Then third point is we should sit away from the television. Always you should develop a habit to sit at a distance from the television. And we should not watch television for too long. It can also damage our eyes. Next point is, students, whenever any dust or dirt enter into our eyes, we should not rub them with our fingers, because by rubbing the eyes with our fingers, there may be any infection. There is chances of infection in our eyes, because our hands, in the fingers, germs are present or dust or dirt are present. When they again enter into our eyes, then there is chances of infection in our eyes. We should always use water to clean them. And students, if you feel any problem to read the blackboard from far distance, then you should immediately inform your parents or your teacher. Understood? So these are some steps or these are some points which you should follow to take good care of your eyes. Students, I already told you that eyes are one of the most important sense organ which can connect us with the outer world. Can you imagine what will happen in absence of eyes? So, we should take good care of our eyes. We should follow the points which I have discussed today. All of you practice this diagram, okay? And these 6 labelings you will practice for your class. Only cornea, lens, retina, nerve, pupil and iris. Must write the name of the figure. Got it? So this is all about the sense organs. How do they help us? How do they connect us with the outer world and the structure and function of eye. In our next class, we will learn about the second sense organ, that is ears. Thank you.